Did you know you can drastically transform your body without moving? In today's video, I'll show you how 4 isometric holds can completely change your body and fitness. 1. Wall. The wall sit is deceptively tough. Slide down a wall until your thighs are parallel to the ground, keeping your knees at a 90-degree angle. Your back should be flat against the wall and your core engaged. Avoid letting your back curve or knees cave in. This hold targets your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, providing a full lower body workout with no movement or equipment. Start with short holds and gradually increase your time to build strength and improve balance. Second plank planks are one of the best exercises for core strength, but form is key. Start on your forearms with elbows beneath your shoulders, keeping your body straight from head to heels. Tighten your core and squeeze your glutes. Most people miss out on full body benefits by letting their hips sag or arch their back. Aim to hold for 30 to 60 seconds, then progress as you build strength. For added challenge, try side planks or add leg lifts. 3. Superman. Hold the Superman hold strengthens your back muscles, which are crucial for posture and spine stability. Lie face down, extend your arms in front, then lift your chest, arms, and legs off the ground simultaneously. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. As you get stronger, try holding longer. This exercise counteracts the effects of sitting and helps with overall body strength for sports and daily activities. 4th, Isometric Push-Up. Hold for a serious upper body challenge? Try the Isometric Push-Up Hold. Lower yourself halfway into a push-up position and hold it there. Focus on maintaining good form. Keep your body straight, core tight, and elbows at a 45-degree angle. Start with 10 to 15-second holds and increase as you gain strength. This exercise targets your chest, arms, and shoulders and is great for building joint strength to prevent injury. Routine. Combine these 4 holds into a quick full-body workout. Start with 10 to 15-second holds for each exercise and increase the time weekly. Rest 30 seconds between sets and aim to do this routine 3 to 5 times a week. In just a month, you'll notice improvements in your strength, posture, and endurance. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you soon.